If you're about to buy a dehumidifier, there are a few things you should know. Air that's too humid can cause all sorts of hassle at home, from foggy windows to musty smells. My name is Jimmy, and in this video, I'll walk you through when you need a dehumidifier, which type suits your space, and what to look for if you want to dry your laundry faster too. So after watching this video, it'll be much easier for you to make your choice. Are you dealing with musty smells, silverfish, damp spots, or constantly fogged up windows? Then the humidity in that room is probably too high. A healthy humidity level is roughly between 40 and 60%. With a dehumidifier, you can bring that percentage down a bit. Perfect for protecting your belongings in, say, a damp basement, or for getting your laundry to dry faster. Need one for your home, like in the living room, bedroom, or bathroom? If it's usually warmer than 15 degrees there, go for a compressor or condenser dehumidifier. In an unheated space, like a garage or on a boat, where it's often colder than 15 degrees, an absorption dehumidifier works better. So it really depends on the temperature. If the room is consistently above 15 degrees, go for a condenser. And if it's below 15 degrees, choose absorption. Take a look at the size of the space where you want to place the product. To calculate the volume of a room, multiply the length by the width by the height, so you'll know the cubic meters of the space. That's important, because if you put a dehumidifier in a space larger than what it's designed for, it often won't be able to dehumidify properly. Do you also want to use the dehumidifier for shorter drying times for your laundry? Then look for a special program for drying clothes. This keeps the dehumidifier running continuously, even if the set humidity has already been reached. Perfect if you don't want your drying rack to take up half the room forever. So, there are plenty of options. But once you know what to look for, choosing becomes a whole lot easier. Whether you're looking for a model for a warm bedroom or a chilly garage, the most important thing is that the product matches the size of the space, the temperature, and how you plan to use it. I hope this video has helped you figure out which dehumidifier suits you best. Bye.